I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Last Saturday, there was a Friends of Jesus camp here at school. Monday started with the usual morning assembly, with the virtue of this week being joyfulness. Tuesday was a quiet day, allowing both staff and students to enjoy their usual Tuesday routines. Wednesday, the early years had an Easter egg roll to celebrate the upcoming Easter holidays. Thursday, the last day before the Easter break, the whole school had a purple dress-up and crazy hair day to raise money for the children of Tondo, Philippines. On behalf of the Week That Was team, I'm Leiza, and we hope you have an amazing holiday. We'll see you again after the break.